Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. If you have more than one Google account, click on it at the top and tap on the preferable one. I only have one, so I need to go back by selecting this X at the top left corner. Sorry, that was a misclick. When you're ready, select Autofill. Click on Autofill with Google and tap on Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, you need to tap on this gear at the top right corner and click on this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords. Then log in to one of your apps for your password to appear here. If you have it already, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. And at the top, select your site data, or click on Select App and tap on the preferable one. In my case, Instagram. Now access all of your information below it, username or email, password, and even some notes. When you finish, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!